Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl the Glam Empress, and as you guys can see, I am here with a new look. I mean, new and true hair, face beat, hair lay outfit is on. Okay, like I came to show up for the girls today, and today I wanted to show you ladies my 30-minute makeup look. A lot of my clients be wanting that one and done look. They like, listen, we don't got time for the 42-step routine. We don't got time for all these different products. We don't have time for that. We're trying to do a everyday go to work, go to meetings type of makeup look. And you guys, for those who don't know, when I used to work corporate, I would wake up every single day and do my makeup. 364. Now the reason why I said 364 is because people would know if I was sick if I did not come to work. And if I didn't do my makeup, they was just like, girl, go home because we know you not feeling good. And I wasn't, okay? And I was just like you guys. I needed a makeup look that was quick, a one and done to get me quickly out the door. I did not have time to be sitting up here primping and pramping, okay? So that's why I'm bringing to you my 30-minute makeup look routine, you guys. And I can't wait to show you for all of my girlies who need that one and done out the door look. This video is going to be for you. So I can't wait for you to check it out, you guys. Of course, definitely leave me some questions down below if you want to learn anything else as far as makeup. And don't forget to like and support the channel, you guys. Come on now. I know y'all are loving this vibe over here. Support the channel, join the dream, and I can't wait to see you guys in the video. And beware, you guys, I'm looking really, really rough. I'm just letting y'all know. Be prepared. I will see y'all in the video. Hey Empresses, so I know I look a mess right now, but don't you worry because your girl is about to get slayed, okay? So first I'm going to start in with my brows, and I just want to share a little secret with you guys. I am a pro MUA, and I have many of these where I gotta rush and do my makeup in 30 minutes. Like, I feel like I'm always rushing, okay? Whether it's before work or before an event or whatever, somehow, some way, I'm just always rushing. And let me tell you, even though I'm a pro makeup artist, I still cut corners too, just like the average person. So today we're just gonna be getting into something a little bit different, and we're just gonna be doing a quick and easy makeup tutorial that will take you about 30 minutes. And the secret to this, especially for your brows, is you want to get the LA Girl Pro Concealer because it has a brush on the end. You want to use tools that's like a 2-in-1. So I filled in my brows, and then now I'm just going in with the concealer that already has a brush on it, and I'm using that brush to kind of blend out the concealer a little bit and also give my eyebrows a shape. And I've noticed when I've done my eyebrows like this, it definitely saved on a lot of time. And then instead of using brushes, because brushes take a little bit to blend in a little bit more, I usually like to go in with beauty blenders when I'm in a rush, you guys. All you have to do is get a damp beauty blender. Make sure that baby is damp. You don't want a dry beauty blender, and that's what you're going to be using for the majority of your face. Now, you don't want to skip out on your skincare or your primer. You still want to go in with that as well. And guys, when I tell you, this is literally, we're slapping everything on, okay? We're not taking different brushes for this and taking different brushes for that. No, we're slapping the products on, and we're using our beauty blender and we're blending it out. So even though I still wanted to go in with some eyeshadow, I just went and put some concealer on my eyelids, and now I'm slapping on a brown eyeshadow or a brown bronzer for eyeshadow. And literally, this is like the perfect everyday eyeshadow look, is taking some bronzer and just putting it on your eyelid with a makeup brush. Now, you can't use a sponge for your eyeshadow, but you can definitely go in and use a brush. Now, I was just being a little bit extra, you guys. If you want to stop there and just put one color on your eyelids, you surely can, but I wanted a little bit more of a bold eye, so I'm just going in with a deeper color eyeshadow, and I'm just placing that on the eyelids. And I'm pretty much, this is the tedious part. I promise you, this is the only tedious part that you will have to do with the 30-minute makeup look if you do decide to go this route, is the eyeshadow. Again, Again, you can do one eyeshadow or you can do two like I did, but if you do two eyeshadows, you're just going to want to make sure that it's blended out seamlessly. And even if it's not, just throw on some lashes, you guys. And now that my eyeshadow is on and I kind of did a whack job, you guys, I'm just going to be putting on some lashes because like I said, if you want to make your eyeshadow look good, just throw on some lashes, girl. And then also to be quick and efficient with your makeup look, you want to go in with a tinted moisturizer. All you have to do is squeeze those babies out. You don't really have to do anything spectacular. I'm using the Fenty Eaze Drop tinted moisturizer and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in with my beauty blender. And you can build up a tinted moisturizer, you guys, like if you want a little bit more coverage, maybe you have a meeting day or just maybe like a little bit more of a day where you need a little bit more coverage, just go in with a second layer with your tinted moisturizer. It's still going to look very natural, it's still going to have great coverage, but with me, I just wanted a little bit more coverage. And then I'm just going to lay my eyebrows down. Now this is not like, you don't have to do this part. With me, I have oily skin, so I do want to make sure everything is laid down and still set in place. Like even though we are cutting a lot of corners around here, I still want to make sure the makeup lasts, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. And then now I'm slapping on some concealer that's a little bit 1 to 2 shades lighter. We already had this conversation. Get something that's 1 to 2 shades lighter, or you can completely opt out of this step, you guys. Like if you just want to go in with an all natural face, you can definitely just do the tinted moisturizer and leave it at that. You don't have to add any dimension back into your face. But with me, I mean, if I'm gonna wear makeup, even if it's a quick, easy 30-minute step, like I still want to add a little bit of dimension to my face, especially with them under eye bags. So now that I had the concealer dry down, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer, and as you guys can see, it's just giving my face a little bit more glow. It's giving it a little bit more life. Like even though the tinted moisturizer definitely did what it needed to do, I just want to make sure that I still look awake, especially in my under eye area. With your quick lazy girl 30-minute makeup routine, I recommend slapping on all powders. It's just easier to blend in instead of going in with the creams and you got to blend it out and make sure it's not harsh. I just use a nice little fluffy brush to just put on some powdered blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And with me, because I'm a blush girl, I'm gonna add 2 different types of blushes. Again, you don't have to do this part. You can do what you feel you like to do, but with me, I just wanted to be a little bit extra, but I did put on 2 different blushes, and we still want to set those under eyes. So I'm still going to set my under eyes with a loose setting powder, and I'm more so just going to set it and just bake it for just a little bit. Again, you don't have to do any of this. You could just put on a tinted moisturizer, a nice powder, and be out the door. But if you still want to add a little bit more glam, that's what we're going to go ahead and do instead of using the creams and the powders, because usually I'm a cream girly and I set my creams with the powder. We're just going to go in with all powders, you guys, because it's quicker and it's easier to blend, and you don't have to worry about blending out the cream and then adding on the powder. No, we're just going in with all powders, you guys. So now I'm gonna go in and cut my contour, and I know y'all like, listen, this is not 30 minutes, y'all. I promise you this is 30 minutes for me, okay? Again, you don't have to do any of this primping and pramping. You can just put on your tinted moisturizer and this Sephora Micro Smooth and be out the door. But again, I still wanted to add just a little bit of dimension. I still wanted to give myself a little bit of glam. I'm the glam empress, so if I'm gonna do it, I need to be able to do it good, and I need to do it right, even though it's my lazy girl makeup routine. So I'm just doing a little bit extra, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlight. Again, I do want to make sure that my face don't look flat. I have very oily skin, you guys, and I have a round face, so it's important for me to add a little bit of dimension back into my face, but you do not have to do any of this. You could have just threw on some lashes, a tinted moisturizer, and be out the door. But if for you girls who do like a little bit of more glam, this makeup routine is for you. I promise you it's super easy and quick as long as you have all of the supplies out and you're ready to go. And see, I went ahead and put on my eyeliner, my setting spray, and we're gonna go in with my lip combo. This is my everyday lip combo. If I, just need to be quick and efficient, I usually do a nudie lip with a brown liner and some gloss just to make sure my lips are hydrated. And you guys, I promise, this look is super, super easy. And the more you do it, the more you just cut back on time. And the last thing I'm going to do is put on my Charlotte Tilbury Plumping Pillow Talk lip gloss. And girl, you don't even have to do this part. You can just throw that lip gloss right in your raggedy purse and keep it moving. And now it is time for me to get this hair done. Let's get it. Yes, okay, here is the full entire look, you guys. Your girl had to do a quick switcheroo, okay? Like, I know it was a bumpy ride going through that makeup video, and my hair was like, whoa, like, girl, what are you doing? But I told you I had to do a quick transformation, and as you guys can see, the whole look just came together, okay? And that was my 30-minute quick beat. If you are on the run or always on the go like I am, this beat, especially if you want a bold eye look and you don't want it to take so much time, and then you want them eyebrows crisp and clean, okay, definitely take notes on that look, okay? Because we still want to look cute even when we're running out the door. That is a one and done routine. At least that's a one and done routine for me, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out my other makeup videos because we are coming with the heat, y'all, and we are coming with more tips and tricks on how to get your makeup laid and slayed. And I got some other treats in store for you guys as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, you guys, and I will see you beauty queens in the next video. Bye.